In this tutorial, we will be learning about the interface in Ubuntu 12. Let's go ahead and open our home folder. As you can see, it is very similar to any of your Windows or Mac interface. It has several icons which describe either folder or a file. Here, all of the icons describes folders or directories, which then can contain subfolders or files. Here is a quick navigation tab, our home folder where we are right now, the desktop which contains nothing actually. If we right click on the desktop and create a new folder, you can see it is there. If we name it 1 and hit enter, you'll see the relative changes are done. Then the documents, where right now we don't have any document, downloads, music, pictures, videos, and our file system. Now to maximize that, we can click upon this button and now it will be maximized, which takes the whole screen. We don't want that. We'll restore it. If we want to minimize this, you can click on this minus button and it will be minimized to the launcher as we have seen in our previous tutorial. We'll bring it back and then this close button to close the application. Just like that, it's gone. Now, if you want to delete any file or folder, just right click on that and you can select this option which says move to trash, or you can simply drag it and place on trash and it will be deleted. Let's go to trash. From here we can select it and restore it back, or we can empty trash. When you want to empty it, it says all item in trash will be permanently deleted. We'll click on this empty trash button and it's gone. So this is a basic exploration experience with Ubuntu, and this was the tutorial on the interfaces in Ubuntu. Thank you.